Everyone knows and loves the Colt single-action Army, otherwise known as the Peacemaker. It was made in 1873 and adopted by the U.S. Army, but the U.S. Army would also adopt the 1875 Smith & Wesson Schofield, chambered in .45 Schofield, much like the one you see here, but this one is chambered in .45 Long Colt. This, in my opinion, is a far superior handgun to the Colt single-action Army. Better ergonomics, much faster reloading, but the Colt wound up being the most popular historically speaking, and it's still quite popular today.